what do you know about AI?
I only know very little about it. I know that it has been used in numerous cases, especially in our classroom. I have seen many students use it for HW, but I haven't personally used it, so I cannot say much. I actually wanted to ask our teacher what actually is AI.
I have also seen many people doing various types of works other than doing their homeworks. I also want to gather knowledge about it.
Yeah, so when the teacher comes, let's ask him some questions.
Yeah.
How are you, students?
So we are fine,
How
alhamdulillah.
are you, sir?
I'm also fine. So today we are going to talk about an amazing topic, artificial intelligence, also known as AI.
So sir, what is an AI? I don't really know.
That's a nice question. AI means machines or computers that can think, learn and make decisions like humans.
Like robots?
Yes, I mean robots like Alexa, chatbots or even self-driving cars. All are powered by AI.
Wow! So does that mean AI can help us doing our homework in the future?
Maybe, but AI is here for helping us, not to replace us.
Oh, then I quite didn't get it. So where does AI actually help us?
AI is used in our mobile phones, online shopping, medical diagnosis, Google searches, or even in our games.
So that means AI is making our life more smarter and easier.
Exactly. But we have to use AI carefully and responsibly, or else it will harm people.
Well, I actually wanted to create an AI robot that would help clean my room in the future.
That's great. You all can become future scientists if you learn and stay curious. AI is great, AI is smart, AI is smart, AI is cool, it helps at home, at work and school.